Hi guys, welcome back to my obsession vlogs. This is Anamika here and today is Holi. So happy Holi to all of you. I'm going to post this video today itself, so it's gonna be fun, and I thought, okay, why not let me make a small vlog for you guys, and I'm sure you guys are going to enjoy this vlog. So mom and Jeet is not here, so I called them up. I just said कि यार आ जाओ, बहुत बुद्धू लग रही हूँ मैं यहाँ पे, like just sitting at home, not going out. वैसे भी I don't play Holi. I'm not a big fan of Holi. Like I just play with my colorful makeup palettes. Otherwise, no, I'm not a big fan of those harsh chemical. Like it ruins my hair and skin, and even I'm getting weird breakouts. You can see my skin is looking so damn weird because this area is oily. This area is oily, this and this. Otherwise everything is dry, and I'm getting this pimples, which I treated, by the way, very well. I've been using sheet mask to, you know, like make sure that my skin is not getting that much oily, and I'm like regularly washing my face, and I'm trying to drink a lot of water. I did skip on my water for past couple of days because I was really very busy with my videos, like editing them, and I'm sure you guys have seen a difference in the editing, and even the filming techniques has been a little different. So if you enjoyed my previous videos, then thank you so much. Leave me a comment in all those videos if you enjoyed them, and if you want me to do some more creative contents for you all, so I will definitely do that. Anyways, आज vlog है, so we are not talking about work today over here. So yes, mummy and Jeet आने के बाद we'll just go and see what other people are doing, because that makes me more happy, you know, seeing other people playing Holi. पूरा भूत बन जाते हैं with a lot of colors, so that is definitely fun. So yes, that's my Holi plans. You tell me what you guys did for your Holi, and even check out my Instagram for the top views of my society, how people are playing, and they are making me go there, you know, like seeing those pictures. I was like, यार मुझे तो ज़रूर जाना बनता है, मुझे ज़रूर देखना बनता है. That's why I thought of picking up this camera today and vlogging. So yes, let mom and Jeet come, so we'll see you when they arrive. Hey guys, देखो 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 जीत आ गया, and I'm all decked up. अच्छे से
They can't see me. Hello everyone, this is Jeet Sarkar, featuring on her channel My Obsession. Today I'm in mood of speaking Arabic, so I'm wishing everyone a very prosperous and happy Holi to everyone.
Play safe.
Play safe. Be aware of coronavirus and enjoy to the fullest. So happy Holi, guys.
That is so cute. Oh my god. Jeetu, so we are going
to show you our society's rain dance or something. They have organized some Holi stuff, so
it's really nice.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Did you see the pictures I have sent you?
Yes,
it's so amazing.
It's so amazing. So right now we are going there.
Where is your accent gone?
Okay, so right now we are going there, and we'll be showing you how people are crazy and playing Holi happily. So hold on and see you next on that location. Till then, enjoy. So as you can see, we are heading towards the location. There's mom and my sister. They are having a nice conversation, and they are not aware that I'm filming her. So let's see you at the location.
Hey guys, see, Jeet and mom is talking to somebody with a ghumta.
Mom is talking to someone. I'm enjoying the view.
Mom is talking to Masi, I believe.
Yeah.
Yes, the view is awesome. खेलने नहीं पाना और उसके साथ यहाँ पे आके vlog kar lena. It's fun. It's really fun. But we don't anyways play Holi that much, na bhai?
No, I play like an animal. But
Ha. This year we can't because you know.
Oh, they seem to be so happy.
Yes, of course they are. मैं नहीं खेलती हूँ होली. That's the thing. I don't play Holi.
Seriously, the maintenance stuff, guys, gonna have real tough time to clean this mess. Lol, that kid seems too desperate to get the colors from the ground. Lol.
Water.
Yeah.
Look at him. Oh my god. Someone tried stopping him.
That's probably gonna his mom.
Look at this.
Oh.
ওরা এমনি মাস্তি করছে
That's the place where my obsession by Anamika comes for lookbook and shooting. And that's the spot, the Pigeonwala spot. And there's people enjoying rain dance, and the DJ isn't playing any song. DJ वाले is now probably gonna play.
It's very nice कि DJ वाले अभी कुछ बजा नहीं रहे हैं. That's why we are talking.
DJ वाला ওদের ল্যাপটপে কি করছে কোনটা দেবে ডিসাইড
করতে পারছে না. ঠিক है, no problem.
Holi wala thing, and now we are returning back home. See this sad face auntie over here, and she's my.
I think I'm going to get copyright issue. Don't do it here. Go as far as you can go.
are done with showing everything. I guess there's mom and my sister walking, and now we are going back home.